Good morning, my dear custodians. Today we're going to start with percentage and we're going to learn the meaning of percent and percentage and its conversions into fraction or fraction into percentage, percentage into ratio and so on. So let's not waste time and let's start with the percentage. The word percent means per 100 or out of 100. Okay, and for example, if a person is secured 25%, that means 25 out of 100. 63% means 63 out of 100. Okay, if a student, for example, Avneet has got 87 marks out of 100 marks, then Avneet's percentage is 87%. Okay, so it is out of 100 or per 100. Percentage is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. For example, 73 upon 100 means 73%. Okay, r upon 100 means r%, and this numerator of a fraction, that is r, is also called the rate percent. Okay, thus percentage is equal to rate percent. You have to remember a few things, that if the denominator of a fraction is not 100, you have to convert it by using equivalent fraction, multiplying both numerator and denominator and bringing the denominator to 100. For example, 9 upon 20 is given, so we multiply by 5 to make it 100. So 45 out of 100 means 45%. Okay, percent and percentage are the terms used synonymously in mathematics. You have to remember that. Now let's start converting percentage into fraction. For example, if you have 20%, 20% means 20 upon 100, and we bring them to the lowest term, 0 cut down, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 1 upon 5. Similarly, 6.5% means 6.5 upon 100. We have one decimal over here, so we remove the decimal and it becomes 65 upon 1000. When we solve this, we get 13 upon 200. Now 3 whole 1 upon 8. Now 3 whole 1 upon 8, first we will convert this into improper fraction. That is 3 8 is 24 plus 1 25. 25 upon 8%. And then we multiply by 1 upon 100. Okay, so 25 upon 8 multiplied by 1 upon 100 will give you 1 upon 32. 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100, so 8 4s are 32, 1 upon 32. Now 135% means 135 upon 100. You divide both the cases with 5. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 327 upon 5 20s are 100. Now it cannot be divided, so we convert it into mixed because it is improper fraction. 1 whole 7 upon 20 will be your answer. Now converting a fraction into percent. For example, if I have fraction says 3 upon 25, I'll multiply by 100 to convert into fraction. When fraction is there and you have to convert into percentage, you multiply by 100. So 3 upon 25 into 100, 4s are 4 3s are 12. 0 cut down, 2 2s are 2 4 5s are 5 35 on 2 17.5. 1 upon 3 into 100 means 100 upon 3 3 33 whole 1 upon 3. And finally you convert into improper. 8 1s 8, 5 13 upon 8 into 100 will give you 13 up into 25 upon 2, or 325 upon 2, or 162.5%. Now out of 25 students of a class, 16 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? So 16 upon 25 of 100 you will do. 25 4s are 4 6 are 24. 64% will be your answer. Anita scored 320 marks out of 400 and Rita scored 300 marks out of 360. Who performed better? In these cases, we find the percentage separately. 320 upon 400 of 100 will give you 80. 0 cancels out. 4 80s are 320. In this 0 cancels out. 6 6s are 6 5s are. Okay. Then 2 3s are 2 50s are. 50 into 5 250 upon 3, and when you convert it, 83 1/3% will come. So I can see very clearly that 83 1/3 is greater than 80%. So Rita is better than Anita. In these kinds of questions, we are able to compare the performances like this easily, and we'll get to know who is better. Now let's talk about the fractional part of diagrammatic part. If we have three shaded part out of 5. So 3 upon 5, and we have to find the percentage. So multiply by 100, 60%. We have 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, so 2 4s are 2 50s are, and 2 2s are 225. So 75 upon 2 will give you 37.5%. Converting a percentage into ratio. You have to convert a percentage into ratio. 28% into ratio, that means 28 upon 100. Simply you bring them to the lowest term, that is 7 upon 25, 7 is to 25. Remove and it becomes 1000 with 100. Okay, and divide by 5, 5 200, 5 3s are 15, 2 5 5s are 35, then again 5 40 and 5 7, so 7 is to 40 will be your answer. 66 whole 2 upon 3 you convert into improper. 200 upon 3, 200 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Okay, so that will give you 2 upon 3, or 2 is to 3. Converting a ratio into percentage. Simply you have to do is 1 upon 4, 1 is to 4 means, and multiply by 100. You will get the answer very easily. Okay, so this is the way you will be doing it here. So it's very easy. I don't think there's any need to tell this. Ritu's mother made idli. You must take 5 parts rice and 3 parts urad dal. What percentage of such a mixture would be rice, and what percentage of urad dal? So in this is a sort of ratio percentage question. So you add the ratios. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 5 upon 8 into 100. 3 upon 8 into 100. You will get this. And you got to know with what percent you have to mix. Convert each part of the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 5 into percentage. You add all them. Similarly, total 1 upon total, that is 8, 2 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage. Converting a percent into decimal. Very easy. 36 means 36% out of 100. So 36 upon 100, and it will give you 0.3612. Okay, so this is how you convert. Again 250 upon 100 will give you 0 cancels out, 2.5. 1 0 is this, so 2.5. 78.5 upon 100 will move this decimal 2 times toward less. 0.785 will be your answer. Converting a decimal into percentage. You multiply by 100 and decimal moves towards the right. Multiply करिए 100 से, decimal आपका right hand side जाएगा. तो 7.75 means 75%. 0.026 means 2.6%. 1 2. 3.15 means 315%. 0.2 means 0.2 here multiplied by 100. So 1 2, 20%. Okay, so these are the very easy questions. Try the exercise related to this and go through them. God bless.